Hello, grade ones. It's time for your active learning at home lesson. Today's lesson is a literacy lesson. And we're going to do, I think, your favorite story time. And what do we do during story time? You must listen carefully to the story because I'm going to ask you a few questions after the story. Are you ready? Let's go. Do you see the pictures on the right-hand side at the top? We've used these pictures before. We've used the word nut, cat, hut, net, cot, and hat. And I've created a little story for you with these words in them. I'm going to tell you a story. Listen carefully, breathe in and out, and see if you can find the words in the story. Are you ready? A long time ago, there was an orange cat who was caught in a grey net and taken to an old house by a little boy. An old man with a big hat came to visit the orange cat. He took the orange cat and put it in a small cot and gave it some brown nuts to eat. Good. I'm going to read you the story again. Are you ready? A long time ago, there was an orange cat who was caught in a grey net and taken to an old hut by a little boy. An old man with a big hat came to visit the orange cat. He took the orange cat and put it in a small cot and gave it some brown nuts. Can you find the word nut in the story? Net, cat, cot, hut, and hat. I'm sure you can find them in the story. Good. Moms and dads, we always build on previous knowledge and we look at words which we have already learnt and we try to find these words in a story. Here are the questions. What color was the cat? What color was the net? Who took the cat to the hut? Who came to visit the cat? Where did the old man put the cat? How was the cat caught? And why do you think the old man was wearing a hat? These questions are easy to answer if you listen to the story. Let's see if we can find the answers. What color was the cat? The cat was orange. You mustn't say orange, you must say it in a full sentence. So part of the question was, what color was the cat? The cat was orange. What color was the net? The net was grey. Who took the cat to the hut? A little boy. Who came to visit the cat? An old man came to visit the cat. Where did the old man put the cat? He put it in a cot. How was the cat caught? It was caught in a net. Why do you think the man was wearing a hat? any answer here, but I've given you a possible answer. I think he was wearing a hat because the sun was shining. Good. The story has lots of details. You will have to draw 2 pictures to describe what has happened. Here are some pictures to help you make your drawings. Do you see the orange cat in a net and an old man with a hat? These were parts in the story. Can you draw 2 pictures about the story? And another little exercise is to replace certain words. Can you retell the story and change the red words? These words are describing words and can change the details of your story. If you look carefully, the story is again, a long time ago, there was an orange cat who was caught in a grey net and was taken to an old hut by a little boy. An old man with a big hat came to visit the orange cat. He took the orange cat and put it in a small cot and gave it some brown nuts to eat. So if you replace the red words with other describing words, it will make a little bit of a difference to your story. I will do a bit for you. A long time ago, there was a pink cat who was caught in a black net and was taken to an broken hut by a big boy. I'm not going to continue. I want you to try to change the details of the story. For more stories, you can go to the following websites. I hope you enjoyed my lesson and learnt a few things today, boys and girls. Goodbye.